Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn how to get this NSE delivery report. So firstly, you will type www.nseindia.com. When you type www.nseindia.com and when you click enter, it will take you this NSE page and you can come down. When you scroll down, you will be able to see this option. Here you will be able to see the quick links where all you have to do is you have to click on all reports. I repeat, it's all reports. And when you click on that, you'll get all market reports. So, and also there's this easy way. All you have to do is go to Google and type NSE all market reports. I've typed NSE all market reports and I've clicked on and I've entered that. And you can see here it shows www.nseindia.com all market reports. All you have to do is click on that and it will take you to the same page. And if you want the Excel sheet from the archives, all you have to do is come here, security wise, price, volume and deliverable positions. You can click on that. So once you click that, you'll get this place where you can actually enter the symbol and you can select the series and you can also select the period. You can enter the symbol of the stock or else you can simply click on full download. When you click on full download, you will get the complete Excel sheet. So today is 7th August. If you click on this sheet, okay, this is the new one. All you have to do is, if you don't know how to apply filter, it's Control, Shift and L. That is Control plus Shift plus L. When you press Control, Shift and L, you can apply the filter by doing that. And here you can select the series. So I usually go with EQ. And here you can select your desired range for the delivery percentage. That you can come here and click on number filters and you can choose between. You can apply your range. For example, any range of your desired choice. So this is how you get your delivery report for the delivery positions. As you can see, today is 7th August. You can also come to nseindia.com and when you come to this page, that is a new NSE website. If you click on a particular stock, for example BEL or any of your favorite stocks, when you scroll down, even here you can see the deliverable quantity. Now that it is 11 p.m. at the night, it is showing the EOD data, that is end of the day. If you do this in this particular page, you'll be able to see the data after every hour. That is, it will have some delay. If you want end of the day data on an Excel sheet, you can find that by following the previously mentioned procedures. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful time ahead.